Hello, this is Tool. In today's video we will see what is interference detection and clearance verification on SOLIDWORKS. This is an example of a hydraulic pump. Open an assembly, then evaluate. Click on interference detection. Click on calculate. In this case, we have numerous interference. Each case reveals the area or the surface of interference. These gaskets have the highest value of interference, but this is acceptable because, in general, gaskets are made with a polymer that has plastic characterization and can locate in grooves or slots. You can change the appearance option. The hidden option is really useful, especially in the case of a large assembly. You can also exclude some components. I will exclude the gaskets. Now we pass to clearance verification. This is an important tool. It can calculate and check the between component. In this case we have clearance of 0.1. So when entering a value of 0.03 and click on calculate, no clearance pop-up as remark. But by entering 0.5, a remark of a clearance appear. Thanks for watching this video. Do not hesitate to leave a comment and following this channel.